Yes, recording. Alright. Hey Brie, how are you going?
I'm good.
What's new with you?
I just started a new job actually. Been working there for about 3 months now. Pretty
Yeah.
good.
What are you doing for the new job?
I am a town planner, so I work for a small company, and we usually develop lodge development applications with council, a lot of liaising with different sort of consultants, engineers, architects, property developers.
How did you get into that?
Well, I studied to do it. Studied for about 4 years.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's what your degree was in?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I did the study. I went for that, and then about 18 months where I was just job searching after I graduated, and then I did a lot of cold calling. Ended up getting in contact with my now boss, and he basically took me on as a graduate. So yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. That must have felt really good when she finally got picked up after all that time.
Yeah, it was a massive relief, I think.
Were you a bit scared at one point there?
Yeah, I was terrified that I just wouldn't be able to do anything, and you know, I felt really crap as well because I'd spent all this money on a degree and spent 4 years of my life studying this course, and then I couldn't even get into that field, and I just felt like it was a waste of my time and money, and it was just really awful for that 18 months.
Yeah, you would have felt really bad after putting in so much effort and so much time, What else could you have done? So you're quite happy now with the job though?
Yeah, I am. I mean, it's a lot of adjusting, getting back into the rhythm of things because I haven't, done it in about 18 months.
Yeah.
And the first week was really daunting. It was really, really overwhelming. I just
struggling with the workload?
Just struggling, and it kind of was like a sink or swim situation.
Yeah.
And they sort of just threw a lot of work at me in the first 2 days.
So you were a bit thrown in the deep end with it?
Yeah, I was thrown in the deep end, and it was just like I couldn't. I hadn't done it in 18 months, so I couldn't even remember what the basic thing to do was. So it took a lot of. The first week was pretty daunting. It took a lot of and I had to swallow my pride a lot and ask people for help. Which
did you feel okay doing that though, or?
I felt a bit uncomfortable at first doing it just because I didn't know the people very well.
Yeah.
But now I'm quite fine with asking them for help. But it was just more, I didn't know my place in the environment, in the office environment yet, and I also didn't know it was sort of, it's kind of hard to explain. I didn't know them well enough to ask them for help.
You weren't confident enough to do that?
Yeah, I wasn't confident enough. And I also I didn't want to be a nuisance to them, sort of thing.
And there would have been so much pressure on you as well, thinking, I've just got to this new job, I need to perform, I don't want to ask these people, is that right?
Yeah, definitely. And so I had a lot of doubts about it as well, leading up to it, because I was scared that my boss is going to expect so much from me, and then I just had to kind of pull myself together and, put myself in his shoes. And if I was hiring, a graduate person who had no real experience in, the real world, that you wouldn't really expect much from them
and look at it from his perspective.
Yeah,
and
pretty
then
much.
It was okay.
Yeah.
So that's all right now? Everything's going along really well?
Yeah, it's going along really well now. So I'm about 3 months into it. And I'm really liking the people there.
Yeah.
And the work is good too. It's a bit up and down sometimes, the work. Sometimes there's not a lot on, and sometimes there's a lot on, so I'm really busy, or it's one extreme to the other, I find.
Okay. How are you going with that? Is that alright?
Yeah, it's okay. I just have to deal with the stress sometimes and just take a breather and
and just work
through one thing at a time.
Yeah.
When it comes to the slow periods, it's sort of I just try and make myself as useful as possible so I don't look like I'm not productive.
Yeah, I was going to say, you're a bit worried about that. There's the issue of, you know, if you're not doing any work and someone might see it might be interpreted the wrong way.
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, what I've been doing lately is I've been putting myself in the social committee,
Yeah.
and we've been planning the work Christmas party. So I've taken a lot of the role on with that, and so yeah, I've just been organising that in my spare time. So if there's any downtime, I'm still contributing something to the company.
That's a pretty big step, you know, going to the Christmas party and having to plan all of that.
Yeah, but I like doing stuff like that. I mean,
Yeah.
because we've just had our, 21st, so I've had to plan my 21st and your 21st, obviously.
Yeah.
I kind of know what to do, and
Yeah.
I really like doing those kind of things.
Have you just used those same kind of elements with the work Christmas
Yeah, I
party
used
as
all
well?
my experiences
Yeah.
with that, and like I know a bit more about it.
So that
now,
hasn't been
so-
too daunting then. That's been
Oh
okay.
no, not at all.
Yeah,
it's been a really fun part of
Okay.
like work, yeah. And I even got to go down to the venue the other day and meet the woman, and then we had
Yeah.
sat and had a chat, and I looked at the room, and that was really exciting to do.
Okay, so
yeah.
that was really cool. That's awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
And are the guys at work happy with you doing that?
Yeah, they're really happy with me doing it because I think they have a lot of work themselves, so they're happy. They're pretty relaxed people, so they're happy with someone else organising it and stuff, and
Yeah, were you saying they're all pretty laid back there, hey?
yeah, they're all pretty laid back. But yeah, I'm most excited about picking the food.
Oh, really?
For the party, yeah.
Okay, that'll be cool.
Yeah.
What are you going to pick? Have you got any idea?
I don't know, but they have a lot of gluten-free options, which
Yeah.
excites me a lot because I'm gluten
Yeah,
intolerant.
of course.
But yeah, and all the food, like the woman said, is made by the chef on site, and there's no added preservative
Yeah,
things like
so
that.
it's all fresh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'll be really good.
Oh, that'll be awesome.
Yeah. It's good. We're over 5 minutes.
Are we there?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, that was 7 minutes. Crazy.
We're done.
Do you think that was good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Let's watch it back, just so we can check. I was like, fuck, I don't know what to talk about now.